In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relist ended items on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently manage your inventory is a fundamental skill, and relisting ended items is an essential part of that. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. It'll be helpful and straightforward, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to eBay's website by going to ebay.com. Once you're there, you're going to need to log into your account. This ensures that you have access to all necessary features, including your selling dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, there is a recovery option available, so don't let that stop you from proceeding. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Sell section. You can find this at the top of the homepage, usually located among other key features like Summary and Notifications. Clicking on Sell takes you to the heart of your eBay selling operations, where you can manage your listings, review buyer messages, and of course relist any items that have ended without a sale. Now that you've entered the selling dashboard, look for the tab known as Unsold. This is where eBay keeps track of all items that have ended but haven't been sold. It's basically a safety net for your listings, offering you a second chance to get your items in front of potential buyers. Click on this tab to reveal the list of your unsold items. You've reached the Unsold Items section. Here you've got a central view of all listings that ended without being sold, making it easier to decide which items you'd like to relist. Look for the box beside each listing you want to relist. Check the box to select the item. This can be done for a single item or multiple items at once, making it super efficient if you're managing several listings at a time. Once you've selected the items you'd like to relist, the final step is to click on the Relist button. You'll typically find this at the top or bottom of your list of unsold items, prominently displayed to ensure it's easy to spot. Clicking Relist prompts eBay to create a new listing for each item you've selected, a quick and convenient way to get your items back on the market without having to recreate listings from scratch. And there you have it. Relisting ended items on eBay is straightforward when you follow these steps. It gives your items another chance to sell and keeps your inventory active. Remember, regular monitoring of your listings can help you stay on top of what's selling and what's not, enabling you to adjust your strategy as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.